Alright, coming at you guys with another one. We're out on a little lake, a little north of home, north of cities. School something over there. Not sure what. I'm gonna guess perch or some kind of panfish for sure. Got one coming in actually.
That's a bigger one.
Yep, one coming in fired up, looks like.
Little hangers in here, though.
No, we got the big racks on top.
I don't know, my coat's pretty freaking big. Hanger off the back of the book for sure.
Oh, coming over to you now, I think.
I'm not marking nothing. Where is he? Oh, it's right underneath me.
Yeah, turn around, pump the brakes. Alright, he did not eat. But, nonetheless, stay tuned. We'll see what we can find here. We're after just about anything and everything.
Is that your white bass you're looking for?
No, this is a little back of it.
We got one. A little largemouth. Maybe a little smallmouth, I guess, but I think it's largemouth. Little bass.
Yeah, that's a little,
Can't say we are after those. Probably after something else.
No, well, there was a few flakes, but
yeah.
we're supposed to get 3 to 5 inches tonight, too.
Oh, Chase got another one. Chase is hooked up.
Oh.
Looks bigger, too.
You better get off the phone and get the
Oh, we're on the crappies.
That's what we're talking
Yeah,
about.
that's a keeper.
That's what we're talking about. I said we've caught crappies out here before. We'll go get after the crappies.
Yep.
We're getting the crappies, and they're getting got after.
Yep.
That's what's up right here.
You better get
That's
off
the
the
curbs
phone
and
and get
nice
the
school.
fish. Sound like it's hot action there.
No, not really.
A couple rolling in here, it looks like. Get you guys tuned up here on the right wide view. Nice school off the left there. Being weird though. Like just randomly a couple will swim over and check you out.
What we got going on? Oh, balls. Catching you while I was gone?
Like things are dying off. Not smoking in. That's a big fish.
I thought it was,
Just a little tungsten on.
it was 2 fish, I thought.
Tapped me.
Oh, that is a big fish.
Yeah, he tapped it.
That one might be like a...
He's coming in.
Get him. Yep, that's a big fish. And the camera rolling.
Camera's rolling.
This is probably a little pike. Yeah, I'm betting it's a little tiny pike. I'm guessing it's a little tiny pike. Look at him on the live scope. You can just see him fighting around. Messing around.
I don't know, it feels pretty big on this thing.
Oh, you have a little tiny noodle rod.
Alright, we're hooked up with the biggest fish this rod has ever seen.
I'm guessing it's like a 2-foot pike. Maybe
Oh no, this is not good. Come up. Alright, I'm just forcing him. Hopefully he shoots nose first.
Oh, he's at the top, I think. What is it?
Oh, I don't know. I can see a tail.
Oh! Get him?
Oh, I had him.
What was it? You did that for a northern chase.
I wanted my hook back. I didn't do it for the fish.
Oh,
That's detrimental, guys. That was my favorite panfish lure.
that.
Just shot for it. Can't find it. Doesn't exist anymore. Down he goes. I went a good shoulder deep for that guy to get that hook back.
I don't think I should tell him how big it was.
Chase,
Just
literally,
really
what are
upsetting.
those all fish coming in?
Really upsetting. Really upsetting, guys. I'm gonna go cry for the next 5 to 6 hours. You guys just good luck. Shawnee's hooked up. Good old Sugar Sean.
It actually feels kind of good. Oh my gosh.
Holy ball!
Dude,
Holy.
it's not that big, he said.
No, it was not. Big pliers too.
It's in the back of the snowmobile.
That's an amazing crappie right
Yeah,
there.
it's got to be all 14 inches right there for
Well,
sure.
this is a keeper.
That is a toad.
Or is this too big to keep?
No, we'll keep him.
He was hit. He
It's
hit,
in the back of the snowmobile.
he hit me. Like, look how
Back
far,
of the
look how far he choked that.
Yeah.
There's
He-
2 guys racing on the ice in their trucks.
Racing.
Look out, quick,
Which side?
towards like the access where we came from.
So on things you're not supposed to do on the ice.
They are
They
racing.
are in here.
Oh my, there's, this thing's a giant.
Yeah.
Honey.
He absolutely choked this.
No, that's not the ones I'm looking for. But
I gotta take a picture.
yeah,
So that would have been a
that thing is a tank. Let me see it real quick.
You can lift it like that. You can lift it like that. Yeah. Where's my middle one, too?
He's checking you out.
Oh, yeah,
I might have
I'm not
to
even marking him. Oh, there he is.
There's two of them.
Got him? That feels.
That's the weakest looks that I've ever seen.
He looks
He
pretty
was
big.
just already on.
He looks pretty
Yeah,
big.
that's how they do it.
He looks pretty freaking big to me. I'm gonna make him stick my
He's
hand
gonna
in
be
here.
big, I think.
Just watch
He
your
looks
face.
big
He's
on
running up.
Yeah, careful. Brooklyn will hook you right in the face.
I've heard about that. What the hell is it? Oh
I
shit!
don't know.
A cussed
He's right
again. Bass.
Smoked him.
This one doesn't feel very big.
There's a couple down there.
There's no black dot
Better.
there.
There's different kinds in here? Yeah, that's what the black crappies look like. I've never caught a white crappie before. Look at all of them down there, Brooklyn.
School's showing back up. That's for sure. That one's gonna go back. He ain't quite big enough. There is a frickin' pile down here, though.
Look at all of them coming in from the left.
Yeah, this is insane.
Is this one of your new favorite crappie lakes?
It's always been kind of a hidden gem.
This lake?
Yeah.
I tried to come off here so many times, and he's like, no.
Why?
No.
'Cause it's so
No.
far, probably.
Yeah, it's a ways away.
In like 40 minutes, 30 minutes.
That's still kind of a ways.
Just like Mille Lacs. But here you can actually catch them.
Is there crappies in the lake? I never actually found them there.
Yeah, they're there, but they're...
Really hard to find.
Yeah.
What was that catching today?
Little walleyes.
Just one kind of coming in. Where's he at?
What was at the mud flats?
No clue where that's at.
Relax.
There's a couple. I don't even know where my bait is. It's not even on there.
Wait, lift it up.
Yeah, he said he caught 4, I think, but just little ones.
Oh, I see it now. I'm all over you guys. I'm literally not marking
What?
one. But look how many fish are down there. There we go.
Telltale sign that Vexilars are no good. Vexilars are good. Swing and a miss. Swing and a miss.
Oh, he's coming right back up. There, I got him.
There we go.
Not very big either.
Talk about a hook set, buddy.
I wanted it. He actually feels kind of good. Nope. Nope. Bastard took my minnow too. Not big enough to keep.
No. There we go. This one feels... I don't know how this one feels.
Sean, you want to just peek out that window?
Feels big and he feels...
Whenever you're done?
That one's a keeper.
Alright, now my turn.
Oh, nothing. Might want to put on a minnow. They like.
Me?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh, I thought
I
you were
just have like
functioning.
this.
There's a good 10 and a half inch crappie there. There's still a pile down there.
This was my favorite crappie jig for a while. What the fuck?
Old Wonder Bread Demon Spoon. Now that Northern stole my other good spoon.
Favorite one.
Favorite one, yeah. It's gone though. Forever. Gone forever.
No, not if I catch that fish.
That's true. That would be something.
We did it somewhere, like Woven's chatterbait. I don't remember. It was like a pike or something.
It had to be a pike of some kind.
Maybe a dogfish. I don't remember.
How many lures did we lose to those eel boat? 3? 2 in the one.
Mm-hmm.
He just shoved like half of it in his mouth.
Oh, he's going right past Chase, I think. He's Brooklyn.
I'm checking.
Good old lunch pocket.
How are you, Brooklyn?
We had all of that beef jerky.
Oh, that's different fish, I think. Yeah, they're stopping
It's
it.
definitely a school.
I have a pretty good feeling someone's gonna Tiff's gonna get ran over.
I'm thinking so myself.
I don't really care, my rod's already broken. Lost like 5 inches off of it already.
That one hit freaking hard, man.
He also ripped his lips off.
Yeah, well, I didn't expect him to hit it. And all of a sudden, it's thump.
What the heck we got going? Is that a keeper
We're
or
gonna
no?
have to
I don't know. This one might need a tape measure to verify.
Now they're all gone.
Another crappie.
That's
He's probably the leader of the pack.
that one's pretty little.
Yeah, he's
Jesus.
Something just blew up.
Is that a can?
something. Send that guy back where he came from.
Wow.
You're gonna need a minnow.
Oh, who's on it? Rod's really bending.
Hooked up, ladies and gents.
Oh,
You have a nice fish on.
walleye.
I'll take it.
Walter.
I'll take it all day long.
Is
Take that.
that a keeper though?
I don't know. I'm gonna need that bump board.
Rod's right on it.
Little walleye.
Not very big.
Not huge. I could probably get a fillet off of it.
Bigger than my grandpapa was catching.
13. Probably better let him go and grow. Yeah, let him go once in a while.
Got a couple coming in too.
Yeah, you're gonna need a minnow pretty quick.
Maybe not.
Hooked up again here.
Maybe
What
not.
else? Okay. Need to adjust my drag. Another crappie. You're gonna need a minnow.
Same size.
Is that a keeper or no?
Yep, I kept them.
Yay.
Not massive, not tiny. Solid 10 and a half inch crappie. We got one coming up down the shack line here. Sugar Sean is hooked up. That guy cannot gauge the size of a fish to save his life. If he catches a little tiny one, he says it's really big. If he catches a nice one, he says it's not big.
Is that a keeper?
That's a keeper.
That's definitely a keeper.
Yeah, that's a nice unit right there. We'll take it.
Another slab.
Oh, I got some live action over here.
Watch your back. Because he's gonna get you pregnant.
Hooked up here. For some reason the lighting kind of sucks for you guys though. Another decent sized crappie here.
There's so many in the bottom.
Yeah, I'm hooked on the bottom lip, which is not good. Let me grab my whole one. Looks really small there to that angle. Throw him on the tape. He's probably about 10.
That's a keeper.
9.5.
No, maybe
He can
not.
go back. It's your lucky day, bud. I'm gonna need a minnow though.
What do you think, Chase? Pink, white, or yellow? Got one?
Yep.
Nice one?
Feels nice.
I think I'm gonna rock the white. Walleye?
Yep.
Oh, Walter.
Maybe I should not be yelling yet.
Caught a perch?
No, we have to get
That's what's up, guys. Another beautiful walleye.
You were about to say red ring. I think it was, dude.
Oh, boy.
Another 13-inch walleye right there. Send him on home.
Wrong hole.
I didn't even move. What scared you?
My bait's in the wrong
Brooklyn's
hole.
having technical difficulties getting a bite.
God didn't even move. I don't know what scared him.
My bait is actively in the wrong hole.
What?
Switch to this one. I wonder if this thing closed.
What in the hell? That's not the proper setup on that.
What?
Tail hook on a Tika flash.
Where do you want me to hook it at?
He had like just like a little piece of meat on there. That's about it.
I think all the dead ones are now at the bottom. Somebody's pissed.
There, Chase, you happy?
Probably better.
Full freaking head.
We got a bobber going down.
It was down, I don't know if it still is. You better rip it, you better just rip it.
Oh my god, why is this on this side? Oh, I'm not a lefty.
Hand line it. I don't even know if he's there anymore.
Right.
You better check it. What does it look like in the live? Yeah, rip it. Check him. Yep. Got him.
Hooked up. Hooked up on the dead
Even
stick.
on the left.
Is it big or
I'm
no?
not a lefty.
Is it big or
I
no?
don't know, it's running up. Careful.
No, crappie.
Nice crappie.
Alright, that's careful.
Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. Dead stick bite is on, apparently. Fish are getting caught here though. We're having a pretty good time today. Up to 2 walleyes. That's like keeper number 10, I think.
Is that a keeper?
That's definitely a keeper. Let me get you guys restarted here. I got one smoking over to me. Just gonna get the up close personal view.
Up close and personal.
He passed me on. You guys are about to get a close view of the heavy hook set face. Probably pretty embarrassing, so luckily you guys didn't get to see that. Sean's got a
Might be a
fish.
walleye here.
Well, head shake.
I think that's on the Tika flash, right?
Oh, motherfucker.
Beep, beep,
Fish got lost. Gonna have to edit that out.
My mom said I need to go home. Oh yeah.
Got one now.
Hey, it looks like it could be a walleye. Nope. That's a keeper though. That is indeed a keeper. If you were wondering.
That's what we're talking about. Really?
Check all the boxes for what I want, and I just
Nice
decided
one.
you would get me pregnant.
Feels pretty nice.
Oh, that's nice. It's a slab right here.
Yeah, there's one.
GoPro.
Calm down, Buckley. Calm down. That's what we're talking about, boy. He's got them thick chops on him. He's a thick boy. We'll take it. Add him to the pot.
Oh. We got one down here, Eddie. You wanted to know.
We're gonna need a minnow.
I don't see him on the Mega Live, but you know, he's on my Vexlar, so that's all
It's
that
right
matters.
on the bottom.
He's not on the bottom on this though.
Oh, really?
We're a little in depth in what we're using here too. Demon jig, little one, blue top. I'm not sure the blue top matters. I had one that glowed blue. Northern took away. That's been working really good, but we got this one that goes green with a blue top. Seems to be working.
Here, babe.
I seen that one bite.
Yep.
Nice walleye. Nope.
Another slab.
No, I don't know if it's quite a keeper. Pretty skinny looking.
That's probably a keeper.
Oh,
Yeah, nothing's got it though. That's what we're talking about. A little on the smaller end, but we're getting to the end of the night here, so. Back down he goes to catch another one.
I know.
This has to be fake.
100%. Look at his fingers.
I'm gonna need a minnow. Swing and a miss. Can't be doing that when the bite's slow.
Nah, he's just holding it out insanely far.
I know Chase and I looked at that picture, and it's definitely photoshopped.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You've got like some of the world's smallest freaking minnows.
Yeah, in Brooklyn. What is it?
Pretty much just have to make sure that your rod can actually catch fish. Yeah, I'll trade you minnow for a rod with fish on it. Brooklyn's rod can in fact catch crappies. Proven here by Heavy himself. Well guys, I think we're packing her up here. Pretty solid night. Got a nice stack of crappies down here. I don't know how many, but I don't know the limit, but a pretty good stack. Probably like 12 to 15 of them. What a beautiful day of packing up. Look at that old greasy unit. She's been ripping around here having some fun on her. Now we're getting some actual snow up here in Minnesota. Not a lot of snow, but it's not bare ice. We'll take what we can get here.
Let's try this one going.
Whoa, wow, whoa! Goes in that sled.